Alright, hey Soups, just released the screen card for the Halloween promos. I'm having slight issue with the packs. The game keeps freezing, but we've got some packs ready to open. But just before that, we want to quickly look at the objectives and what's actually available. In terms of the ultimate screen, we've got 11 players released for now. There will be more coming, so whether you want to save your packs or open it now, but I'm opening mine now. Looking at the Ibra, Aguero, James Rodriguez, Thomas Muller, and Dele Alli here, and there are more. There are tweet out on Footprint. Sorry, there's also a Sabitzer, Guerrero from Dortmund, Nicholas Optamendi, William Carvalho, Roma Gulli, and then there's a Jesus Navas and James Muller for SBC. And there's also a Edwin Zeko for Scream as an objective, sorry. Looks like a decent card. Score 10 goals in online survival. I'm not really good with like these different modes. So this one you have to play with friends. You play online, just other modes, so that's alright. Swap battle, win 4, swap battle. That one's alright actually. Professional difficulty, that one's alright. 5 low-driven shot in rivals. I'm actually not sure what low-driven shot is. I think it's those you just score like it's finesse, but not those that go very high up. So it should be alright. Are these the ones? Yeah. Anyway, Giant Slayer, and we've got slow and steady wins. Score goals using play with max 75 pace. Minimum physical. So certain requirements like certain stacks of your players, so I assume you're going to be using some lower end cards, then that would help. So 3 rival wins on that. Assist 10 goals using a forward with 83 dribbling or minimum. And a minimum, okay. With a maximum of 83 dribbling, but a minimum of 70 passing individual right. I think you just need to pick certain players, and then once you got that, it should be alright. The one thing you didn't mention is whether that's to do with your base stacks or is it including the chem style, because that's not very clear. I assume it's going to be the base stacks, because otherwise it's going to be very hard to calculate. But yeah, because I mean, you know, the strong lanes and all that. So I assume they're going to be using your base stacks. And then we've got score goal using serial playing for, so that's alright. I mean, this is quite doable. I just not too sure what the online survival mode is, and not sure the low driven shots and rivals. So again, you should be able to do that one. So quick look at the SBCs before we jump to the pack opening. So we've got the Black Cats, which has a Sunderland player in the middle. So that needs 10 gold. I'll do these later, but you want to kind of work your way around it. You do need some strong links because you do need 75 chemistry. Well, Sunderland in Championship. Sorry, they're not in. They're in English League 1 now, so it's hard to get gold players for that league, basically. And they've got Werewolves. Yeah, it's Wolves in it, yeah. Some people predicted Wolves. I really should have picked up Wolves, but even if I did, I wouldn't have picked up any silver Wolves players, basically. 60 chem, slightly better, but you do need like basically a full silver squad. So again, you really like your silver player this year, so something worth considering. And then we've got Scream, James Muller, and Jesus Navas. I'm not sure how high it's release, but for me, this is too expensive. England player 85 rating with 80 chemistry. Team of Wheat, 2 Premier League player 85, 75 chem. Again, the Team of Wheat, and you need a Liverpool as well. 385 squad around, and they're like 80k each, so 160 to 240, like 240k for this untradeable James Muller. No, thank you. It's got good stamina, well-rounded stats, but lacking a bit of pace. Yeah, it's a no for me. Whereas the Jesus Navas, much better pace, much better dribbling, attacking position-wise, and 99 stamina, that's what you want. And he's much more affordable. Coming in at 80, 84 rated squad, one La Liga player, one team of the week. So I assume this Santi Cazorla right now is really quite expensive. Yeah, it's like drooping 30 odd K now. Got my, packed mine actually, so that's fine. I actually got this squad ready. I just need a 88 here, just to finish it off, basically. And then that's where we come into the next part of the video, where we're going to do some pack openings. I'm also thinking about this guy as well. So it depends what rewards we get. We get high rated cards that hopefully we can then sell on, or if we get an 88 rated, I can just slot it, right, untradeable or tradable, slot it right into the FBC, and then I can just complete that Jesus Navas. One thing to consider though, when doing that SBC is it doesn't mention whether these stats are going to be permanent. Because normally we screen cards at a certain time where they're upgraded, and then so I'm not sure if they when are they gonna like when the screen when the stats gonna be this high, are they gonna lower it? And then if they do lower it, how bad is it? Like, is it gonna go back to the base card? Like, I mean, I need to know these before I actually go complete these. Because last year we do get a glow, and it was kind of clear what sort of stats were boosted. Whereas this year, not very much information. So I'll just wait around a little longer until we get a bit more info until I submit this. So, alright, without further ado, it's been around, I don't know, 7 packs reserved from the division rivals and the FUT Champ weekend. I didn't get a huge play pick, so I should have shown it, but I did it on the phone. It's kind of just a short video. There's some really good packs here actually. Let's start from alright, let's start with the mega pack. 7 packs to open. I can't remember which ones are tradable, which ones are untradeable, but hopefully get some new cards, new special. Amazing would be great. Nothing here, anything. Alright, get a 4-drop striker. 83 Morata. Might be able to use him for the actually no, I'll keep him for the objective actually. Anything else? Well bet. Squad finishes. Yes, finish glitch is gone. If you did watch my a few videos back, finish glitch is gone, so yeah, make sure you get your get your players on 99 chemistry, 99 fitness. So that's the one. All right, so that's the tradable pack. And then we got jump. Yeah, let's go jumbo premium gold players pack. It's good to get some players in. Really lacking players in this squad. Nothing amazing here. Fernando. Rolo. Is he sell? Nah. Nothing high rated, nothing that usable. Yeah, nothing amazing. Lots of players though, which I do like. So let me just keep these there. Yeah, keep them on transfer. Got a huge transfer list, pretty much empty. And then let's go open a prime gold players pack. So these are mostly half and half players pack, where we do get some special screen. Can we get something special? Is it just a pack, right? Yeah, just a pack. Anyway. Okay, I'll tell you what, this guy does have a bit of value, but people are going to be opening a lot of packs right now, so I assume his price is going to fall a little bit. Wow, that's a great fall. He's still 20k player. He actually could fit into my squad, but ooh, Johnny here, untradeable. Ah, damn it, untradeable. Damn it, I would have sold him if he wasn't, but looks like I'm going to give him a go then. I wanted to try him out anyway. Max actually. Can we? Yeah. It's untradeable, right? Does that mean we need to get rid of 2 of these? Okay, fine. You know what we'll do. That hurts. Must be something we use these for. But anyway, let's go for the 2 rare gold players pack. This is tradable, so that's good. Any special flares on this one? Nope. France. Left mid. Coleman? Yeah. Again, another one that could actually potentially fit into the squad. You're picking up a good player. I mean, you know, we've got the perfect link there. We've got Coleman, and then was it Reservoir? Can't say his name, but we've got a perfect link here, really. Lacking a bit of stamina, but I think that's a good card. How much do you leave? Yeah, cool. Some good packs here. Good players. Sorry. Yeah. All right, let's open a rare Electrum players pack. I'm not sure if these are again trade. I think these are all untradeable now. But let's hope we get some special cards. Special high-rated cards, whatever we get. No, not on this card. De Rossi. Untradeable as well. Let's hope I can switch these out. Okay, both untradeable. You know what to get rid of these. Slightly annoying. Alright, 2 more to go. So prime gold players pack first. I really lack coins in their account actually. So if we get anything amazing, that'd be great. Come on, hook us something good. That looks like huge flares. Not a walkout though. Or flag. 83, yeah, 83. Not very useful here. Yeah, if we get the special pack, it would be a walkout win. I wish I got him like a few weeks earlier. I still does have a bit of value, so I'll keep him here in the squad for now. Get a lot of duplicates already. Have to get rid of him. Right, so we're already down to the last pack, so nothing that amazing really in terms of value or special cards, but can we round it off with something special in the last pack? Nah, just a normal card really. Nah, we'll get Jamie. If you get any high rated livable cards, they should sell. But nope, nothing. Bakary Sanyu. Nothing, really, nothing. Alright, should we do the Jesus Navas now or wait a minute? What's my transfer? I mean, if I want to get a high rated card right now, probably is the time. I mean, I've got my Thiago Silva, try to get rid of him now. I do got some, yeah, I've still got some players here that I could. So really thinking about Jesus Navas, and then I can change my squad around this week as well. I'll do these 2 tomorrow, and then we've got Jesus Navas as well. And you know what? Let me have. Ooh, I think it's natural here. Yeah. So this one. Get more chemistry, I think. Yeah, let me think about it a little more. Just a little longer. Or if I put a Murata here. If I put Murata here, it still gets the perfect length. And then we might be able to get off with a lower rated player. So doubt it actually. How about 80? 80. Got some 87. Not in my squad actually. I do have a Thiago Silva, but probably not going to use him because he does have a hunter, a shadow chemistry. Let me see if it will work. So if I've got like an 87, will that be enough? Nah, so I'll just go back with what I had. So basically I need something like this, but I'm not using my top gold scorer Cavani. So yeah, I'm just gonna need an 88 rated card here, and then that should do the trick. And probably get Godin. He's like 25k. Lacking a bit of coins here, but yeah, hopefully it sells some players. Yeah, these Godins are selling quite quickly. So if you see any going on like 20 odd k, they're likely to go up. I think people want these cards, so you know, pick some up if you can see any cheap, high-rated cards right now. I'm gonna list these up, and then that's basically it. So I'll list these up, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. In terms of tomorrow, I'll make another video. You know, we've got marquee matchup to do. We got these what do you call it? Black cats, plurals of the werewolves. These are now about potentially. I'm actually thinking about this guy as well. Fits into the squad nicely. It's just that I've got quite a lot of strikers already, but I'll have a look into him. How long we've got? We've got 26 days, so no rush on him. Whereas these are like 2 days, 3 days. So you really think about Navas first, because these are tighter time limit. But you know, while we're trying to get rid of the players, there's not much else going on. Wonder what's on the next match. But anyway, I would love to get Aguero. That'd be amazing. But yeah, so for those who do want a Zeko, make sure you go check out the objectives, and hopefully I'll bring you more SBC content tomorrow. So anyway, hope you did enjoy the video, and if you're new to it, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button if you did enjoy the video. But until next time, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.